6 to the power 2 equals 36. 36 plus 48 equals 84. 84 divided by 2 equals 48. And finally, 48 times 8 equals 336. But this answer is not right, because according to the order of operations, we must solve parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember, if in any expression you have both multiplication and division present, you must work from left to right, and same applies to addition and subtraction. Now let's rewind and solve this problem the right way. If you notice, in this expression we have an addition operator, we have division and multiplication operators present too, but we also have exponent present here, and according to the rules, exponent has higher priority over multiplication and division or addition. So what we need to do is we need to solve this exponent first. 6 to the power 2, that equals 36. Our expression simplifies to 36 plus 48 divided by 2 times 8. Now we have addition, division and multiplication operators present here. According to the rules, multiplication and division have equal but higher priority than addition. So we need to solve multiplication and division first, but we have to work from left to right. So we have division on the left side of the multiplication. So we must solve this first. 48 divided by 2, that gives us 24. Our expression simplifies to 36 plus 24 times 8. And now we have addition and multiplication operators present here, and as we know, multiplication has higher priority over addition, so we need to solve this part first. So 24 times 8 equals 192, and finally 36 plus 192 equals 228, which is the final and correct answer to this problem. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, comment your answers and subscribe to our channel.